In this video, we are going to go through the measurement setting for the HAVSco system. I will explain what they are and what each setting does. From the HAVSco home screen, log into admin mode. Do this by clicking admin user mode, then click admin in the drop-down menu. The system will ask you for a PIN number. The default is 1234. Enter your PIN number and click OK. At the top of the screen, the admin menu will be highlighted in yellow. This indicates you are in admin mode. Click admin and a new drop-down menu will appear. Click settings. At the top of the screen, you can see 5 different tabs: docks and dosimeters, measurement settings, data sync, options and diagnostics. Click the measurement settings tab. As you can see, there are 2 options: XYZ data and reading dosimeters. XYZ data has 2 options: combined and separate. The default is combined. A dosimeter upon activation will only upload combined XYZ data to the software, whereas if you select separate, you would be able to see the results from each separate axis when the data has been uploaded. We strongly recommend you stick to the default, as typically a user will not need to measure XYZ separately. Measuring XYZ separately also takes up to 3 times more memory than combined. This will reduce the maximum amount of data you can record. The next option is reading dosimeters. The option is fast activate. This setting allows the dosimeter to be activated quicker. Once the dosimeter has been returned to the dock, it will upload the data. It will then clear this data after upload is complete. The dosimeter will then be ready for fast activation. We recommend that this setting is turned on as default.